Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of you really want to get Spotify Premium without paying money. Don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you the only way to get 1 year of Spotify Premium completely for free. All you need is a working code, and then you can enjoy Spotify Premium whenever you want. But before I show you every step, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. So guys, the method is very simple, but this method only works when you use a phone. So the first thing you need to do is grab your phone and open a browser. Then search for your couponbox.com without any spaces. Make sure you type it exactly like I'm showing on the screen. Once you're on the website, search for Spotify. Tap on it to open the page. Now let me explain this website real quick. From what I found out, this website gives out free redeem codes every day, but the number of codes is limited, so not everyone can get one. My friend showed me this yesterday, and that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys as soon as possible. So if you want to try it, hurry up and check if there's still a code available. Now, to get the code, just press the Show Coupon Code button. After that, the process will begin. The website will start checking for an available code. It may ask you to complete a few quick steps before showing the code. Just follow the instructions to complete the steps. Once you get the code, copy and redeem it on the Spotify website to claim 1 free year of Spotify Premium. Simple, right? Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, just comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.